Hi, why am I so persistent to try to get this message through? That our susceptibility to negativity, it's a problem. And the more I know myself and the more I know my clients, I really, really believe that our susceptibility to our own negativity is very, very important to be aware of. Because sometimes when something doesn't succeed for you, the first conclusion you go into is, am I good enough? Or why can I not succeed? So you always come back to yourself and you make a decision where you are very negative to yourself. So please be aware of this, that one's negativity is probably one's greatest enemies. Anyway, join me at the masterclass, because the masterclass is going to be also an invitation for you to join my group, Alchemists of Golden Consciousness. And here I would like to share more with you my own experiences with negativity. There is actually now so much negativity going around that it is so important to remain calm amidst this negativity so that we can make what I call the best decisions for ourselves. So bye-bye. See you, I hope.